So this morning I'm going to talk about insurance. Yes, insurance generally, insurance and the importance of insurance, the types of insurance. So a lot of us think that when we talk about insurance, it means that we are actually programming for something to happen or we are expecting negative events to occur. But it's not like that. Insurance actually gives you the boldness that if anything happens peradventure at any time, then you don't need to be scared or worried about it because you're already being insured. Okay, now what's insurance? Insurance is a financial product that helps manage risks by providing protection against potential losses or unforeseen circumstances. So when things happen and you're being insured, then you're rest assured. You don't even need to worry. You don't need to be afraid. All you just need to do is to reach out to your insurance company. Okay, what's the purpose of insurance? Number one, risk management. So when does insurance helps manage risk by transferring potential losses to the insurer. So if you are under insurance, when does risk the insurer will manage it for you. Number two, financial protection. So insurance provides financial protection against unforeseen events such as accidents, illness, or natural disasters. Okay, then number three, we are still under purpose of insurance. Number three, peace of mind. Insurance gives you peace of mind. So when you are insured, anything that happens, just first of all, you just have peace of mind. If anything unforeseen or any circumstances happen at any time, you're already having peace of mind because that burden has already been lifted up from you because the insurance company will take over. Okay, now, so what's the types of insurance that we have? We have life insurance. Under life insurance, we have short term and whole life insurance. So, and the number two is health insurance. We have private and government funding health insurance. So under private insurance, we have individuals insurance and groups insurance. So as individual, you can choose to insure your health with any hospitals, and with the insurance company, they will give you different names of hospitals that you can make choice and you'll be going there for your health check. Then as a group, you can also choose as a group, like you can Summit or as an organization. As an organization like Summit Estate now, you can choose to go and patronize one insurance company and every one of us will be involved. Then they will just name the Summit staffs or so. And we are being insured. So anytime that we are sick or any is happening unexpectedly, you don't need to worry. Just move and walk into the company and you have been insured or any of the hospitals that is under your insurance card and you just get treated. Okay, so we also have property insurance like homeowners and renters insurance. So as a homeowner, you are building, thank God we have some of us that are building our houses, and maybe some of us we have not even insured our house. So it's the right thing to do that we need to go and insure our buildings so that if peradventure anything happens, then you know that you are on the safer side. Like I said, insurance gives you peace of mind. So and the renters, like some of us are renters. You don't insure the building because you are tenants, but you insured your valuable items in the house. All your gold, your jewelries, your clothes, your shoes, your handbags. You just call the insurance company. They will bring the valuer that will value all your items and they will also insure them for you. So for instance, when I went through demolition, I think not just me and Ego, I didn't mean I insured, I couldn't have lost all my items. The insurance company could have just gotten it for me. They could have just replaced it. And if it's a house, if there's any fire outreach and all of that, the insurance company will just take over for you. You'll just be having peace of mind. Then you also have auto insurance, which is liability, that is damages to others in an accident. For instance, you are having one thing about driving is that sometimes you don't hit someone, but someone will hit you. And what has happened? Accidents has occurred. So it takes two to make accidents to occur. So you can't just say, oh, I'm perfect in driving. What if someone hits you and the person, if your own car is even okay, but the person that hits you, the car will still have faulty. It will still look up to you that we hit each other, that you have to pay. So if things like that happen, you just have to have rest of mind. If you're under insurance company and they will just take care of the person's car, they will go and repair the car or change it depending on how the situation is. So it gives you a peace of mind. So it's very important to have insurance in almost everything. Your cars, your building, your house, your valuable items, is good. Your health, very important. So we also have under the auto insurance, we have collision, which is damages to your vehicle. If your vehicle is damaged at the process of accidents or in any way, the insurance company is different insurance, so we shouldn't mix it up. So when you are going for insurance, make sure you are being classified of what kind of insurance you want to do. Does insurance you do for repairing someone else's vehicle if things happen? There's insurance you do for your own vehicle if things happen. So you just have to insure it and be specific about it. We also have comprehensive insurance that covers non-accidental damages, which is like thief or natural disasters. Maybe thief enters your house. Our pastor Wilson once shared a story that in their estate, a thief entered and stole all of their gas in one night. So when they went to the CCTV camera to check, they just saw how this guy just take time picking one by one from one houses to the other and all the gas. So imagine that those estates have been insured, or those houses, and the insurance company will be the ones to just replace all their gases for them. So it's good to insure all your items and be specific of what you are insuring. Okay. Then we have number 5, disability. If you are unable to work, so you can also insure for your life. Nobody knows about tomorrow. We are not praying for anything to happen, but it is good to insure. So if you are not able to work again, you are disabled one way or the other, the insurance company will be taking charge and providing for you. We also have a long-term care. That is cost for long-term care. The insurance company can also handle that for you in case of some people that you don't have people to look out for you. So if you're under insurance company, they'll take charge of that. We also have travel insurance. It covers unexpected events during traveling, anything that can happen, or accidents, or anything that happen while you are traveling, or maybe you are traveling overseas and the cost of it is more than your expectations, or the insurance company will take charge of it because you've already been insured. Then we also have a liability protect against lawsuits and financial losses. You go to the court and things are not the way it's supposed to be. If you're under insurance, they'll take over and make sure that things work out for you. All you need to do is to have rest of mind. So one thing about this insurance is that insurance is not something that when you're sick, you now go to the hospital, you say you want to start the insurance process. No, it takes time. Some takes 1 month, some takes 3 months. So you don't need to wait to be sick so that you'll be insured. No, you just have to meet the company and insure ahead of time. So when you're doing that, for instance, you want to insure your valuable items, and the items you're insuring is 200,000. If you are going for insurance company, you only pay 5,000 naira ahead of that 200,000. So if peradventure anything happens to your house, they will just come and replace it. So imagine the benefits you are getting from 200 to 5,000 naira benefits. You just paid 5,000 and you'll be getting 200. Then there is one thing about it. I have this 2 book here, and this one is the insurance company, KBL Insurance Company. It talks about travel insurance, commodity insurance, automobile, and every other insurance that you want to insure. So they have contacts here that if you want to, this company is insured by our church itself. They insure all our church building and every other things inside the chairs, everything are being insured. So if you are insuring things, you can check the insurance company and be sure that they are reliable. Their contact is here. If you need them, you want to insure your gold, I can give you the contact. We also have the second one, which is a medical health insurance. So one thing about this company is that they have contact that you can reach out to. Their head office is at Utako, and they also have another annex office which is at Usetuye, Ade Tukumboye. So, and this company said that in a year, you want to do insurance, they're doing insurance for as individual 45,000. But if you are going as a group, they are doing that insurance for you as 15,000. So imagine that as individual, you are just paying 45,000, and if you are going a group 15, that's 3 times a year. So instead of going individual, why don't you go as a group? For instance, you can go with your family. You just add your family members there. Each person 15,000, and you give it a name. You can give Joy and Co. or Summit Estates. Everybody are now paying 15,000. And they'll give you a serial number that will show that your name has that number. And you can go, there will be a certain hospital that you can choose. And it doesn't matter anywhere you are, you are located to the hospital that is under the insurance company, which you can make use of it. So it's very, very good, and you can go as a group, just 15,000 a year. What you will even be treated is more than that. And there are certain things that are free. There are certain things that are free for, especially like all these are new Iyawo, all these are Madia. They can go there when they got pregnant. Your treatment is free. All you need to pay just 15,000 in a year. Yes, Krista, are you hearing me? In a year, compared to when you are not insured. Tomorrow you rush the hospital when they're waiting for your payment to reach. The time is going, you are feeling pain, but it's good to be insured and you get treated. Just go with your card and everything will be done amicably. With these few points of mine, I hope I'm able to convince us that insurance is the best.
How does insurance? Is it free?
No, just like I said now, for health insurance, for instance, you want to go and insure, you are paying for this particular company, you are paying 45,000 a year.
Is it a one-time payment?
Yes, one-time payment in a year.
In a year.
No,
Yearly. That's what I'm saying, in a year. Yearly. In a year, that's what I said, yearly. But if you are going in a group, for instance, 5 of us from this company, you are paying 15,000 in a year.
So for every insurance, house insurance, so this thing is whatever insurance.
Yes, it's yearly. And one thing about house insurance, for instance, what you are valuing in your house is 200,000. For instance, you are paying 5,000. There's a certain amount, maybe 1 point something of your value.
Percentage.
Okay, now you're coming. I don't understand. You're saying a one-time payment of 15,000.
No, not one-time payment.
Now you're saying
15,000 a year, and you're gonna be treated.
so the one you're saying percentage or something.
That's that percentage you pay for that year.
Yeah, that's the percentage. Also, like for your value of things, for instance, you bought a car, 2 million, and you are paying, they will maybe ask you to pay only 200,000 for that car. That's your insured. So peradventure, something now happens to the car. You know what they will spend is more than that 200k that you pay. They will definitely do it for you, but only thing you pay is just that 200k. They can even replace your car for you with that million. So you just pay 200k. So that's the advantage of it. And this health fund is very, very important. We in a company, we can come up and be paying 15k a year, and we call it Summit Staff or Summit Estate or anyhow. Then anywhere you are in your local different locations, you can go to the hospital nearby with your card, but we are all Summit Staff. Just 15,000 a year. You can add your family members as well. Yes.
Let's say I did an insurance for car theft.
Okay.
And my car had an accident.
Okay.
And the insurance was actually for car theft. Would the insurance company still pay me?
If you insure your car, it covers both. No particular.
Yes, that's why these people they have
They'll
phone
give you a
numbers
lookup.
that you can.
There's some
also
insurance
call
that are
it.
like that. That was why I wanted to
As
ask.
far as the car is being
Okay,
insured, what
there's
about
another thing I want to say concerning car insurance. You know, sometimes
No,
people
it's
bring.
question we are asking. Let that round of before you If you have
Okay,
questions,
which
ask
one?
that.
Yeah, so
Any other
when it's
question?
about car, it covers like that. It covers.
Any other
Any other question?
So the office is here, you say to
Let's appreciate God. God, we forgive you. You want to start with your office and